Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here, continuing on with the rainbow series for the month of June. I have a clean and simple card with a colorful rainbow edging that I hope you will love. We're going to begin with the stamp sets Wild Florals for the flower image that I'm stamping on the edge, and Friends Like You for the sentiment using Hello Friend. We're going to begin by heat embossing the sentiment Hello Friend in black using black embossing powder. I'm going to get my stamp wet with that embossing ink and then putting black embossing powder and heat setting it with my heat tool. Once that's done, we're going to set that aside and move on to heat embossing the edge of my card. We're going to be using one of the flowers from Wild Florals. Get that on my acrylic block, and using clear embossing ink, I'm going to stamp the edge of the flower onto this white paper, and this is watercolor paper that I had pre-cut to be the same length as my card. Gonna get some white powder on that and then heat set. It's kind of difficult to see through the camera, but try to give you an angled look so you can see where it's being cured. Okay, time to watercolor the flower. We're going to begin with the red, and when you watercolor, you want to layer some color. So we're going to begin with the darkest of the red, moving on to a red-orange shade, moving on to the yellow and brushing that yellow just a bit over that orange to create a medium tone. We're going to continue on with the rainbow, adding the green and then following up with a darker green. Get a blue and then follow that with a darker blue and then follow that with the purple. Once we've colored the image, we're going to go ahead and start trimming around the flowers. Be sure not to trim under the floral so you do not cut the length of your piece of paper, and leaving a wide margin between your petals and your cut line so you don't have too thin of a border. Once that's trimmed, we're going to go ahead and place this border onto the card panel using some foam adhesive. I am using sticky back foam, adding adhesive onto the actual watercolor panel, then cutting a piece of that sticky back foam adhesive and placing that over that piece of paper. For a finishing touch, I'm going to be using Pretty Pink Posh jewels, and I'm adding these with Nouveau drops. That does it for this clean and simple yet colorful card. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please give this video a thumbs up and a sweet comment below. Thanks so much. Have an awesome day.